Welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's get into it. Number 1. Quirky Facts Illustrated. Illustrating fun and quirky facts using royalty-free images and animations. On this channel, you'll draw and create funny pictures to show really interesting and strange facts about things you might not know. It's like learning with colorful and silly pictures. Number 2. Virtual Language Exchange. Hosting virtual language exchange sessions with participants worldwide. Here's a channel where you can make friends from all around the world. You talk to them online, and they help you learn their language, while you help them with yours. It's like having friends from different countries. Number 3. Classic Literature Audiobooks. Recording audiobooks of public domain classic literature with voiceover. With this channel, you'll listen to stories from long ago. From people who love to read. Someone reads the stories out loud. And you can close your eyes and imagine the characters and adventures in your mind. It's like going on a magical journey just by listening. Number 4. Art History Insights. Sharing insights into famous artworks and artists using stock images. On this channel, you'll look at really old and beautiful pictures and paintings that artists made a long time ago. You'll learn about why they painted these pictures, who the people in them are, and how they used colors to tell stories. It's like traveling through time to see amazing art. And finally, number 5. DIY Craft Projects. Demonstrating easy craft projects with stock footage and voice instructions. Here's a channel where we make cool things with our hands. We take everyday stuff like paper, glue, and even empty boxes, and turn them into awesome crafts. The best part is, we can follow along step by step and make our own versions. Well, this is all for today. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.